Hey, how's it going, Like? It's me. And you're back again for another exciting installment of the Pro Vlog. Last time we did a little bit of fabrication work to the back end of the car. What have you missed? I've been away for a bit doing this episode. Well, probably about a whole week's worth of going around about the car and welding up and patching up bits that I'd cut holes for, running different fuel lines and hoses and stuff like that. And I can understand why people don't, a lot of pro drivers don't mess about with their old cars that much. They just usually build a new car. But that price-wise wasn't an option for me, especially the price of S chassis at the moment. And yeah, I'm a bit fond of my old Lucky. She's I was going to say been a good car to me, but I've had it a long time, so we're going to go with that. I'm still a big fan of the S chassis. I mean, there are other better chassis out there in my opinion. A lot of different cooler chassis maybe, but yeah, it still works and there's still a lot of drivers still using these and still being very successful. What else have I been up to? Yeah, let's get stuck into tearing down the front end of the car. One thing I'm going to touch on here is the project management side of building a drift car, especially this scale of build. Take the engine out. While you're doing chassis work, you need to get the engine stripped down, bits away to get machined so they're ready to go back together, and everything comes together to build the engine. Now, usually when you're dealing with companies that do motorsport stuff, they're a bit of a nightmare because they promise you it all get done in a couple of weeks and a couple of months pass by and you miss events. Rare occasion this year that everything I've sent away is back already, and I've have a lot of bits sitting over the last couple of years of not competing, ready to go in the car. So I've made good progress, but I mean, it just takes time. So let's get stuck into tearing down the engine. .14mm 3/8 drive socket with an adapter at a 1/2 inch for getting into the head studs without taking the camshafts out. 10mm spanner for the 10mm bolts. There's 3 of them round about the back of the head before you loosen off the head. Start from the outside, work your way in, loosening off. That is about all the time we've got left in this volume of the Pro Vlog, volume 20. Oh, we're really racking up the numbers and we're not even near close to finishing the car. Remember, check us out on all the social medias. We're on Instagram and Facebook, well, all the old people social medias anyway. Hit that like button and subscribers are always welcome. Tune in next time and I'll explain why my Sylvia has miraculously turned into an E46 BMW. Don't panic, Sylvia will be back. We just need to take a little bit of detour for the next event that me and the notorious Stephen Black are going to be attending. Thanks for watching, catch you next time.